this video I will show you how to make a very simple edge to your tapestry crochet project. You will need your finished project and some yarn. It can be the same color as your main color, or you can use a contrasting color. I leave that to your choice. The hook the same size you used for your project, and a tapestry needle and some scissors. And let's get started. If you are right-handed, you will start from the left top side of your project, and if you're left-handed, you will start from the right top side of your project. Basically, what we're gonna do is run a single crochet here, and when we get to the corner, we're going to do 3 single crochets on the same stitch, another round of single crochets here, 3 single crochets on the corner, keep going with the single crochet, and when we reach the other side, we're going to chain 1, and we're going to do the reverse single crochet all the way to the beginning. So let's get started. If you find it difficult to see where are you inserting your hook next, you can always give a little stretch to your project so you can see the holes where the hook is going in. So I am inserting my hook on the last row. I'm pulling my yarn, and I'll do my first single crochet. Here's the next hole, single crochet, and continue doing single crochets until you reach the corner, and I'll meet you there. Okay, so I just reached the first corner of my project. As you can see, here is where I started my chain, and we're going to do 3 single stitches on the same stitch. 1, 2, and 3. And we will continue all the row doing single stitches. Here's my next stitch, single crochet. Continue all the row doing single crochet, and I'll meet you on the other corner. Here I am about to reach the other corner of my project, so I'm still working on my single crochets. And as you can see, here is where my corner starts. So we're gonna make 1, 2, and 3 single crochets on the same stitch, and continue with my single crochet on each stitch, same as we did on the other side of your project. Continue that way until you reach the end of the project, and I'll meet you there. I am about to reach the end of my project. Keep going with my single crochet, and when I get to the last stitch, what I'm going to do is a slip stitch, chain 1, and now we're going to work on our reverse single crochet. So we're going to go all the way back from where we started. And the way you're going to do this, a reverse single crochet is the same as a single crochet, just worked backwards. So insert your hook on your previous stitch, pull your yarn over, and there's one. Here we go again, previous stitch, insert your yarn, pull it, yarn over, and there you go. Previous stitch, yarn over. You're going to see that the yarn will look like kind of twisted, giving it a thicker edge to your project. And you will just continue doing this all the way back. When you reach the corners, you will do a reverse single crochet for each of the single crochets you made, so 3. And I will continue doing this until we get to the corner, and I will meet you there. I'm almost done with my first row, and look how pretty this looks. And as you can see, the stitches are very clear on where to insert the hook, since you already made a first row of single crochet. So when you get to the corner, just do a reverse single crochet for each stitch. And there you go. And just keep going. Continue with your reverse single crochet until you reach on the corner. You'll do the same, and when we get here, I will meet you there. I'm about to reach the end of my work, so I'm going to continue with my reverse single crochets. And when I get to the last row, I will make, and when you get to the last row, you'll make a slip stitch. You want to cut your yarn. I've already cut it, so you cut your yarn. There you go. Weaving ends. And that's it. And here's the finished project. Look how cute the edge looks. It is a very nice detail to add to your tapestry projects, and now it is ready for blocking and just hanging whatever you want. Thank you for watching.